What's up, guys? So it is V here from Almost Live, and today I'm going to be starting a new segment I like to call Rebuild. So I made a team. They're called the Providence Thrashers. I'll show you their team branding. Here's our Providence Thrashers. Providence. Back. Here's my uniforms. Thrashers. Okay, complete. Okay, and then my team, this is the biggest shock of all. So basically, I just picked the worst players in the expansion draft. So I got Bobo, Vince Carter, Lewis King, Mario Shayuk, and all of these other guys. So I'm just going to show you, we have no chance to even win a game this year. I bet we go 0-82. Like, look at the Phoenix Suns. Look at how much better they are than us. Our best player is 72. Like, we're going to get killed. Point guards, I got like 5 point guards for some reason. I have 1 small forward, okay. So, I will be out with the videos of the first couple of games in the next 2 days. I think I did like 52 games. Yeah. Yeah, I did like 52 games. So, I'm going to check these power rankings and see what we're supposed to be. Yep, we're 31. Yep, let's see. Everyone, we're going to be 31. Yep, 31. 31. So, yeah, we're going to get killed this year. So, alright, so I'll see you in a couple of days with the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.